Welcome to my channel, fellow YouTube fishermen. Today I'm going to talk about the single most important thing that you're going to do when you're making a video. And that is come up with a catchy title. Not just catchy. You want something that's going to be irresistible. There's a lot of competition. There's hundreds of millions of videos on YouTube. And a lot of them are made by people that have a lot more experience than you and are a lot more successful than you. So how are you going to catch the viewer? How are you going to catch the guy who's sitting there scrolling through looking for something similar to what you made? The only way you can do that is to have the best title possible. So when exactly should you come up with this perfect, catchy, wonderful title? The only correct answer is before you do anything else. There's no point in scripting the video. There's no point in writing it. There's no point in editing it if no one's going to see it. So you have to come up with a title first. So how do you come up with a title? Easiest way is to look at what other people are doing. I'm not saying to rip somebody off who's doing similar YouTube videos. Don't go and look at the most popular YouTuber who's doing something similar to you or is in your niche and just start stealing their titles. That's a scumbag move. Don't do it. What you should do, though, is look around for inspiration. Look at what other YouTubers and other niches are doing. Take a look at their titles. See how they're grabbing you. See if it sounds good. See if it interests you. Start watching the videos. See if it's related to what the title was. There's no point in having a really great title if it has nothing to do with what the video is. Don't go and say, I'm going to teach you how to ride a bike in 5 easy steps, and then have a video about changing a carburetor on a 1974 Pinto. Just isn't going to work. People are going to watch it for a couple seconds. They're going to bail. You're not doing yourself any favors, and you're screwing yourself with the algorithm. Not to mention you're coming across like a complete dick who can't be trusted. So how do you come up with this title? You know when to do it now, before you do anything else, but how are you going to come up with it? What are some ways that you're going to use to come up with the perfect title? One of the easiest ways is to grab viewers by asking them questions. You can play on their fears. You can make them feel like they absolutely need to watch this video. You want to make an emotional connection so that when they're scrolling through and they're looking at dozens of titles, yours is going to stand out to them. It's going to mean something to them. You can do that by being humorous. You can do it by playing on their desire, saying things like how to make $1 million with this one proven trick. You can make them afraid to not watch your video. You can say things like, my channel got canceled because of this one thing. You want to pique their curiosity. You want to make them feel like they absolutely have to find out what's going on in that video. And you do that with an open-ended question. You want to ask them a question, but you do not want to answer it. Because if you answer it, then they don't need to watch the video. Make them need to click on that video. So now we know when we're going to make it. We know how we're going to come up with it. How long should it be? Well, the simple answer is the shorter the better. People are scrolling by. They're sitting on their phones and they're sitting there scrolling looking for the next video that they want to watch. If you have this huge long title, they're going to kind of glance at it. They'll pick out a couple keywords and then they're going to keep going. The other thing you have to worry about is when you're scrolling on your phone, it only shows you about 55 characters or so. So if your title is long and the hook for it is buried towards the end of that title, no one's going to see it. So you want to take the hook or the question or the most important part of that and you want to put it towards the front. Keep it as short as possible, but get the point across. Make it as interesting as you possibly can. And if you're going to go over that 55 character mark, make sure that the most important things are in the beginning of it so that anything that gets cut off is more of the filler. This is the first video that I used the title first. All the other videos, this is my 11th video. So the 10 videos prior to this, I came up with the idea for the video. I came up with the script for the video and I recorded the video. And then when I got done with the editing and started uploading it, that's when I came up with the title. Some of them I think are pretty decent. Some of them are not that great. And I think that's why some of my engagement has been down. And that's how I kind of spent a lot of time today, is looking at my analytics and looking at my videos and my thumbnails and my titles and going, okay, why does this one have more views than this one? Why does this one only have a couple views and this one has 40-something views? I have yet to have anything explode. I have yet to, break 1,000 views. I have 79 views right now, which I think for me it's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And that's 79 views in a week. 10 videos, 10 days. Today is the 11th video on the 11th day. So this video isn't uploaded yet. Well, I mean, if you're watching it, clearly it's been uploaded. But as I'm doing this now, I have 79 views over 10 videos. One video has 41 views, one video has like 18 views. Those are my two top performers. The other ones are single digits. So I'm looking at the ones that are single digits, especially the ones that have like 1 or 2 views, and going, what is it about that? Is it the title? Is it the thumbnail? I think it's both. So I'm going to kind of attack that, and I'm probably going to go back and change those titles and see if that makes a big difference. And I can pretty well guarantee that's my biggest issue. So I'm going to go on fuck that right now. So in the meantime, cast out your lines, catch your first fish. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and go catch your first fish.